We are Anthony and Amy. We are converting our Citroen Relay into an off-grid camper van. You should join us on our journey and watch as we work on it over the next few months. We have absolutely no experience, so if we can convert a van, you can do it too. If you would like updates in between videos, follow us on Instagram.
As you can see on here, I can't shine the light on. If I press the wood is soaking. So it's not just a little leak. But that leads me to believe that I haven't protected the screw well enough, because the screw is what comes through the wood. So last night there was a really big leak, and obviously it's obvious why, because if you look at that screw, there's a gap underneath where the Sikaflex isn't. There's a little gap here, I don't know if you can make it out, and then on this one there's a gap. So because there was a big leak, we're now taking all of the Sikaflex off the top of the screws, because I didn't do it very well. And now we're taking the screw out, just one at a time, so the frame's still supported underneath. We're putting Sikaflex into the hole, which I'll do now. Squirting it down, and a bit comes up. And then take the screw, which they are wet on the end, so it's coming through the screws, and then just screw it back in. And then take some more Sikaflex, squirt a lot on the top, and turn it into a mushroom. And just making sure there's no gaps, or just making sure I can't see the screw at all. And there we go. That's what we're doing now. So we'll do that with all the screws, and then we can start on the second roof fan, because it's a nice day today and we're trying to make the most of it. So now we've removed all the screws one by one, filled the hole with Sikaflex, and put a dollop on the top as well. Amy just about to cut a square on the roof. How do you feel?
Alright. Mixed emotions.
Tape up the loose edges so it doesn't make it difficult for Amy when she's cutting on the other sides. There you go, that was nice and easy. Now we have two maxxfans. It's a new day today, and as you can hear, the rain is very heavy, but I'm excited to see there's no leaks. This is off my feet. This is roof board number 1. And what we did is, we scored it along the top here and pushed it up so it bent with the curvature of the van. And we've done the same here. And we've used the stick pins. For some reason I ordered bigger stick pins. I don't know why, but I must have thought I was doing 50mm for the roof, when in fact we're doing 25, but we've just bent them out the way, and then them will be foil taped to keep the vapour barrier, and obviously we'll get foil tape and stuff for here as well. But yeah, we'll crack on with the rest of the roof. Last look at what it's like without insulation. Amy's just scoring off the top side of the insulation board, so it fits with the curvature of the van. It goes straight here, and then here it'll start coming down a little bit, so when we push up, the scored bit of the board will go flush against the ceiling, and that means we can just use one full board for this whole like section here. We learned that from a video on Van Life Conversions channel, so thanks a lot for that.
Let's see if it fits.
So that like that, and we've scored here, and we've scored here, and then
Brilliant.
the stick pins will obviously bring it up flush. Yeah? That's another board fitting nice and flush. And now with the stick pins, you just push on a little clip, as Amy's doing now. This is thanks to Greg Virgo for his videos. So for the fan wires, we've just fed them through a bit of the frame here, and it comes out the other side. And because we're leaving gaps here for the battens on the bottom here, we're going to put, I've just wrapped insulation tape around the wires, just because this is metal, even though it's smooth metal, but it's just in case of any rubbing in future and stuff. And then Amy's just cut out a bit of the insulation. Put it up, Amy. So it fits perfect like that, and just cut a little notch in it. And it slots in perfectly. So that's pretty good. Nice fit. As you can see there, the wire just comes out of there. And what it'll do is, it'll probably, we don't need all of that wire, but we'll just run it along there. And then at least that's in there, nice and snug. Happy with that. You?
Yeah. This is where we are going to leave today's video, so thank you all for watching. Please hit the like button to support our channel, and if you would like to see future videos, please hit subscribe and the notification bell.